Imagine nothing exists in our universe. This means that our world would be empty. Well, our world is not empty. It is made up of so many things, living and non-living things. Both the living and non-living things may be called matter. Matter can be described as anything that has mass and occupies space. This means that anything containing particles which can be measured on a scale and occupies space can be referred to as matter. Some examples of matter include plants, animals, food, water, rock, table. This means that you and I are also forms of matter. Now, one might ask, is air also made up of matter? This confusion stems from the fact that air cannot be seen. Well, the answer to this question is simple. Air is also a form of matter. And this is because it occupies space and has mass. We can demonstrate that air is made up of matter by filling an empty gas cylinder of known mass with air. On weighing the cylinder filled with air, you will observe that there's an increase in the mass of the gas cylinder. This clearly shows that a mass of air was filled into the gas cylinder. Now that we know that every object or substance in the universe is made up of matter, another significant question is, how do we measure the amount of matter contained in various forms of matter? To do this, we use the term mass. The mass of a substance is the quantity of matter contained in the substance. The standard unit used for the measurement of mass is the kilogram. In the laboratory, an instrument called a weighing balance is used to measure the mass of a substance. It is similar to the scale used to determine the mass of meat or fish in various markets. When you place an object like a fish on a weighing scale, the instrument indicates the mass of the fish in kilograms. In other words, you have been able to determine the quantity of matter contained in the fish. Well, I believe that you have learned a lot about matter in this lesson. To conclude this lesson, let's do a quick summary of the key points. The universe is made up of matter. Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. The quantity of matter contained in a substance is called its mass. I'll see you soon.